to my channel. There's a city of Minnetonka. This is where in Minnesota, this is where rich people live. I'm just driving around. It's Monday morning, driving in a rich neighborhood of Minnetonka in Minnesota. Hopefully you're having a good day in whatever you're doing, and leave us a like, subscribe, support the work. This is where rich people live in Minnesota. So most houses will be bigger than in the city. Because rich people like living in mansions and stuff like that. Looks like a church right there, or a school. It's a church. Right now, mostly I'm just seeing businesses. I'm not seeing any houses because there's like a main street here.